only took a year, dawg. Think about what I've been through, I can make a tear fall. Late night with them youngins who was creeping, could've killed y'all. We don't do that internet beefing, that's for bitches, dawg. I went up to space, so they hatin', they can't live, dawg. I can make your bitch eat my kids every drip drop. I come from the trenches, we can't come outside in flip flops. I done came so far, sitting on the floor watching the tip off. All the baby Gucci scroll ups. Switch it up and I went global. Can't play around, I had to grow up. Check out my neck, hell of a glow up. These niggas capping, that shit blow up. My dog rapping, hope he blow up. I need my checks without no hold ups. I put my city on my shoulders. I told the truth in every story that I told them. I fucked around and showed them. I put my all into this shit. I worked so hard to get my wrist. They broke my heart, but I didn't quit. I had the ball with no assist. I got them all on my drip. Go with this move, we gon' get flipped. Yeah, I had to hustle for a meal.